I just have to make it clear that I did not intentionally try to match the Lululemon bags today. It just kind of worked out that way. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a Lululemon try-on haul. These are by far one of my favorite videos to film for you guys because I love Lululemon and I know you guys love when I do these types of videos, so it just makes me really happy. I haven't done one of these in quite a while because I was traveling for a few weeks, but I did vlog everything, so definitely check out my London vlog and my New York vlog, and I've also been doing some other fun vlogs as well. I was on a Lululemon hiatus for a while. Is that the right word? Like, I wasn't buying Lululemon for a really long time. I don't know what it was. I just really wasn't enjoying the drops quite as much as I used to, so no need to buy anything if I don't like it. That would just be a waste of money. But after a few weeks off, I decided enough was enough and I needed to buy some Lululemon. So that's exactly what I did. And the good thing about this haul is the 99% of it I got on sale, which is always a win. If you watch my Lululemon hauls, you know I rarely get things on sale because I have zero impulse control when it comes to clothes. If I see something that I like, I have to buy it right then. And instead of waiting for a few weeks to go by for it to go on sale. Like, I need to get better at that. But yeah, I was patient and the things that I'd been eyeing in December finally went on sale. So I was like, you know what? Might as well snag them now. I'm very excited. So I have a lot of good items in this haul. I spent still quite a bit of money, not gonna lie, but I will have everything listed and linked in the description box for you guys to shop if you want to purchase anything that I show. I'll also have all these items linked on my LTK as well. Make sure you follow me over there. This video is sadly not sponsored. I spent all my own money on these things. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the haul. My favorite matching set to wear to Pilates is a flow Y bra from Lululemon. And of course, my tried and true Align pants. So I have the Lululemon Align Rib High-Rise Pant 25-inch in the Shine Print / shade. And then to go with it, I have the Flow Y Nulu bra in the same Rib Shine Print. This I got in a size 4. The pants I got in a size 2. I don't know the price on these, but I will have it on the screen. I unboxed these in a vlog and I was kind of caught off guard because I thought I ordered the non-ribbed ones. And I was like, these were like $20 more than the non-ribbed ones. So I was like, ugh, my mistake, whatever. It was my fault. Like, I totally ordered the ribbed ones and just didn't mean to. But I was so grateful that I did because I didn't realize that the Flow Y bra that I got was also ribbed. So it would have looked weird. Not really, but I don't know. I feel like it would have bothered me if I had the regular Shine Align pants that weren't ribbed with the ribbed bra. I don't know. That's just a me thing. But yeah, I saw this when it first came out and I was intrigued, but I didn't like need to have it. I thought it'd be really cute for Pilates, but I probably wouldn't wear it anywhere else. So that's why I didn't buy it when it first came out. But my mom did buy these when we were in Orlando and she asked if I wanted some and I declined. But then I ended up getting them on sale. But I love the regular ribbed Aligns. They don't come out with a lot of colors in them, but I love my ribbed ones so much. I have like 3 shades in the ribbed ones, and they're so good. They are a little bit thicker than the normal Aligns, I feel like, and it just adds like a fun little added texture to the pants. Makes them look a little bit more expensive. I don't know. I do love my ribbed Aligns so much. And of course, I love a good old Flow Y bra. These are probably my all-time favorite sports bras from Lululemon. And they're great for wearing underclothes. And then also if you do yoga, Pilates, bar, any lower intensity workouts, these are great as well to wear on their own, or you can throw a t-shirt over or a little crop top, tank top, whatever. But I love wearing this little matching set to Pilates so much, and I just cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna feel like so cute going into my Pilates class with my little shiny Align set. It almost looks like faux leather a little bit. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I do really enjoy it. I will say I would definitely stick true to size on the ribbed ones. I don't find that there's any difference in sizing. Like, I don't think that these are any tighter or looser than normal Aligns. So just wanted to mention that. But I love these so much. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you not? But I think it's really, really fun. So I did get these in the 25-inch inseam because I'm not sure if they even have the 23-inch inseam in this foiled print. But I go back and forth between preferring the 23-inch inseam and the 25. It really just depends on my mood. Sometimes the 23s can kind of like flare out at the end, or they're like a little loose at the end because they're supposed to sit like above your ankle, but they're more like full length on me because I am 5'1". The only thing with the 25-inch inseam that I find is that it bunches a little bit at the ankles, but it doesn't bother me too bad because normally I'm wearing some like higher socks, so you can't really see it anyways. So another item that I got on sale in this gorgeous blue shade, this is the Scuba Oversized Funnel Neck Half Zip Long. So I believe this is sold out because I tried to link it for you guys before filming this video and I could not find the long one in this color at all. But the good news is it's fully stocked in the original Scuba Oversized version, so that's good. But this is in an extra small, and it's in this gorgeous cerulean blue. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. I hope I am. But it's absolutely stunning. I love the shade of blue. I have a little matching Pilates set in this color, and I think that's it. I wanted the shorts, but they sold out before I could get them. So no biggie, but I love my Scubas. You guys know I have way too many. Don't want to talk about it. But I also really like the long ones as well. It does kind of swallow me. It might look a little stupid to some people, but when I'm just like absolutely bumming it, feel a little bloated, don't want the cropped one, this is my go-to. I just think it's so cozy, especially for the colder months. Oh, hi Luna. She's trying to get in this Lulu bag. She is always trying to get in here. There's stuff in it. But anyways, I love the long ones. It's also a good option if you don't particularly like cropped things. The original one isn't too cropped on me because I have a super short torso. But if I was taller, much taller, I probably maybe would prefer the longer one. But it's just like the normal ones, nothing different other than the length. But I absolutely love this shade. It's so gorgeous, and I've already worn this a few times. Excuse me. Okay, well, since she's playing in the bag, I guess I'll talk about what I'm wearing. I got this in Orlando back in December, and I showed it in a vlog, but this is the, forget the exact name of this, and I clearly don't have the tag anymore, but I'll have the name on the screen. I got it in the Storm Teal shade, and it's a half zip. It's got this really funky, big collar. I'm not like the biggest fan of this collar, which is why I didn't buy it full price when it first dropped. I fell in love with the bone shade, I believe is what it was, when it first came out, and I really wanted that one, but then I saw this in store and I was like, it's on sale, it's in my size, let me just snag it. I actually had to get this in a small because they didn't have an extra small, but I am very happy with the size. I still have got a little bit of room, but it's not like too tight. I don't know if the extra small would have been too tight or anything, but I got this for layering purposes because of all the traveling that I was doing in December and January. I was in London and New York, which are very cold places right now. So I bought this with the intention of like wearing a t-shirt or a long sleeve underneath. So I wanted it a little bit more roomy. And yeah, I absolutely love it so much. It's got a really fun like cable knit pattern on it. And yeah, I don't know if I would have bought this full price, to be honest, because it was really expensive. I want to say it was like originally $148, but I am really glad that I have it because I have been wearing it a ton. I wore it to Pilates today. So underneath it, I have a little matching set on right now that I just wore to Pilates, but I have the Align tank in the Storm Teal shade. This is in a size 4. This is the normal Align tank for A and B cups, I believe. They do have so many different variations of the Align tank. My favorite recently has been the cami tank, but I think they're just continuing it because all of them are on sale right now. So I'll link them down below. Like every single shade is on sale, which makes me so sad because I love that one. They did have the Storm Teal color in the cami version as well, but I have so many in the cami version now, I thought I would just revert to my OG original strapped Align tank, and I'm really glad that I did. Obviously the only difference is the straps are just a little bit thicker, but I wore it for the first time today to Pilates and I absolutely love it. I haven't bought a regular Align tank in so long, so it was definitely overdue. And then to go with it, you guys will see in the try on, I'm not gonna stand up, but I have the matching Aligns. These are in the 23-inch inseam, so they do bunch a little bit, oh gosh, at the ankle, or not bunch, they do like, I don't know. They are like a little bit looser. I don't know if you guys can even tell on camera, but I feel like they're a little loose at the end. It doesn't bother me too bad. I feel like a 24-inch inseam would be my perfect length on a legging, but they don't make that. The 25-inch Align pants are a little long on me, and then the 23-inch fit like pretty much full length on me, but I just have that like weird gaping problem. But it is what it is. I absolutely love this set. I got so many compliments when I wore it today, and I just took this off for Pilates and did my thing, and then put it right back on because it is freaking cold in North Carolina right now. So next up, I don't know if this item is on sale. It should be because I bought it way before their like end of year Boxing Day sale that they do. Yeah, so it should be on sale now if it's not completely sold out. So these are the Hottie Hot High Rise Short 2.5-inch length lined. These are in a size 2. I don't know why they always put lined on the tag because they don't have Hottie Hots that aren't lined to my knowledge. I got these in a size 2 in the shade Garnet. These were $68. I love the shade. I have so many items from Lululemon in this beautiful garnet color. It's absolutely stunning. It's just like a true burgundy or maroon. I have a little matching set for Pilates. I have the crop defined jacket in this color, and now I have the shorts. Fun fact, but Lululemon actually had a shade very similar to this that they released a few years ago. I want to say probably 2 to 3 years ago. Probably 3 years ago. I think the shade was Red Merlot, if I'm not mistaken. I had the Scuba in it, I had the Aligns in it, I had shorts, I had a matching sports bra, and I got rid of all of them because I hated burgundy because it was my school's color for literally 18 years of my life. So I was just like, ugh, so tired of it, and now I'm back in love with it. So, but I do prefer Garnet over Red Merlot. I really couldn't tell you the difference though. So, if you still have Red Merlot in your collection and you also have Garnet, let me know if you can tell the difference. But I love Hottie Hots. I'm definitely not going to be wearing these anytime soon, but these would have been perfect for the weird spring to fall transition when you want to wear like fall clothes, fall colors, but it's too hot. I'll definitely be wearing this. Did I say spring? I meant summer. Summer to fall transition. Oh my gosh. But I definitely will be wearing these still in the spring and summer months, even though it's definitely a fall color. I still love them. Last 2 things that I got, these weren't on sale when I got them. They are on sale now, if they're not sold out. Little disclaimer, I don't know. But my mom actually got me this for Christmas. I picked it out in Orlando and it was like an early Christmas present. But I have the Softstreme High Rise pants. I don't know the full name. I'll have it on the screen. I got these in a size 2. In Pink Tide, I believe is the shade name. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these pants so much. I have them in a few other colors. And then same with this Softstreme Half Zip. This is the regular one, not the ribbed one. I think I own a ton in the ribbed. I'm not really sure. I need to take a look. But got this in a size 2 as well in the same color. And I absolutely love both of these. I have so many different shades in this little matching set. I have brown, I have bone, I have black, and I think I have another color. So yeah, I actually really like this half zip. I might even prefer it over the Scubas. Don't sue me, just my personal preference. I feel like it's a true cropped look, whereas the Scuba is like sometimes a little too oversized, not giving me like that cropped effect. I don't know, let me know if you guys can agree. I also really love the Softstreme material. It does stain really easily, like if you get oil on it, best of luck. But other than that, I really like it. It does cinch, so you can make it extra tight or you can make it more loose fitting, not as form fitting, not as cropped, whatever. I love it. The pants also have this drawstring as well. My other pants that I have that are like this, I have in size 0s because of the length, because I wanted them to be shorter. But they didn't have a size 0 in store, so I went with a 2, but they still fit great. No worries there. They are like a little long, but with platform Uggs, which is what I normally wear them with, they're fine. I haven't tried them with my New Balances yet, but I will keep you guys updated on that, on the length. But they do have a short version, I believe, and a tall version maybe. I know this is the regular, but I didn't get the short version because whenever I try to buy like a short version of something, it ends up being too short because my legs are freakishly long for my height. So yeah, but I'm almost 5'1", like I said, and these fit pretty good. They are just like a teeny bit long. Also, I got a really bad stain on this, so hopefully I can get that out because I've definitely washed it since wearing it, but oh well. I also noticed another stain on this right there. Anyways, I just got this the other day, but this is part of the Lunar New Year collection that they just released. This is the Define Crop Jacket Nulu, and this is New Year. I got this in a size 2 in dark red. They also have a really fun, like, embossed snake print that's slightly lighter than this shade of red, but I just thought I would get sick of that print. So I went ahead and just got the regular one. I also have matching aligns. I also have a matching aligned tank that I got years ago in dark red. So I've got the whole get up. I also have a regular Define jacket, the non-cropped one in dark red, but it doesn't have the gold zipper. So I'll probably keep that one as well. I was thinking about selling it, but I don't know. Depending on my mood, I may prefer the longer one. For right now, I've been loving the cropped Define jackets. That one is in Luon as well, and I feel like they rarely make the Luon ones anymore, which is kind of sad, but I absolutely love the red and gold contrast, so I had to snag it. I love Define jackets. They're literally my uniform. I love wearing these to Pilates over an Align tank or a Flow Y bra or any kind of sports bra. It's just so good. So guys, that is it for today's Lululemon try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and click that bell. Upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, also listed and linked in the description box below. I will have all these items listed and linked in the description box for you guys to shop if you are interested, and they will also be on my LTK. I love you all so very much, and I will hopefully see you all very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.